So before going through the exercises, we have to understand few things like the standard equation of certain curves. Suppose we have a parabola circle.
Yes, sir.
If the circle is having center at origin and radius r, then equation of circle will be x square plus y square equals to r square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if the center is hk and radius r, then we have x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is the equation of circle. This basic equation of circle is taken when the center is at origin.
Okay.
And this equation is taken when the center is hk, means any point.
Any point in the.
Yes. Now, equation of parabola, and before that, we can draw the circle. How can we draw the circle? So, circle, when the center is at origin, in that case, circle will be like this, and this length from origin to this length will be
Radius.
r. Yes. So this point will be r comma 0. Again, this point will also be 0 comma r. This point will be negative r comma 0. This is 0 comma negative r. Yes. And in case center is hk, then circle might be at any means place.
In any of the
The
quadrants.
center will be center is hk and radius is r. Okay. Now coming to parabola. We already know that parabola is the graph of a quadratic form.
Yes, sir.
A quadratic polynomial is parabola. It is having parabolic path. So a parabola having along x-axis, a parabola which is along x-axis will be like this. Okay. And equation of parabola will be y square equals to 4ax. A comma 0 is the focus of the parabola. So basic equation of parabola is of the form y square equals to 4ax. It is horizontal parabola, okay, along axis.
Okay.
And so equation of parabola is y square equals to 4ax. This is called horizontal parabola. And vertical parabola is along y-axis.
Oh.
This is vertical parabola. The equation of this parabola will be x square equals to 4ay. Now coming to ellipse.
Sir, is there a way to like recognize a formula for a parabola?
There is way it has been taught in grade 11, but here you just need to just know the equation of parabola.
Okay,
You don't have to do anything else.
got it, sir.
Means how the curve is. What will be the graph of the curve? That is your main goal. You do
Got
not need to find anything else.
Okay, sir.
Now coming to ellipse. And in case you don't know anything about the curve of any graph of any curve, then you have the option by taking several points, several ordered pairs. Like suppose you take x, y value, put x equals to 0, y equals to 0, put x equals to 1, y equals to 2 root a, and like that. So you can take n number of points. Lots of points have to be taken, but that points should not be connected. You need to understand the nature of the curve, then you can draw. But these are the standard equations and standard curves are there. You just need to understand and learn that how the graph of these curves are.
Okay,
Okay, ellipse. Standard equation of ellipse is x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1. And graph of ellipse is like this. This is the graph of an ellipse when major axis is x-axis. Major axis means, see this length, length along x-axis is greater than length along y-axis. Yes. If the length along y-axis is greater, then it is called vertical ellipse.
vertical ellipse and horizontal ellipse. Got
Major axis will be y-axis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this point is a comma 0. This point will be
0,
0 comma b. This is minus a comma 0. This is 0 comma
minus b.
b. 0 comma minus b. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the standard integral that will be used. We have root over a square. Before that, you know the basic integration of the functions. What is the integration of x to the power n dx?
N to x to the power of n minus 1.
Which one? Yeah, tell me again.
N into x to the power of n minus 1.
That is derivative. I am asking about integral. That is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
What is integral of sine x? That is negative cos x. Integral of cos x is sine x. Okay. And one more standard formula that will be used, that is root over a square minus x square dx. It is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square over 2 sine inverse x over a. This is used in maximum number of questions where circle is a curve. Now you note it down. Till then I am just turning over the page of the book. We'll be doing exercise 8.1.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. So exercise 8.1, question number 1. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 16, y square upon 9. Question number 1 is,
So the question number 1 I have is y square equal to x and the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4, and the axis is the first
that
quadrant.
is in old book, that is
Okay.
not in the syllabus now.
Okay, sir.
I am just going to tell you the question, mark it in your book. Okay.
Got it, sir.
First question is, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square over 16 plus y square over 9 equals to 1. This is the first equation, first question. In your old book, it will be, I think,
Fourth
4
question,
or
sir.
5.
Yes, sir. It's the fourth question.
Yeah, it will be fourth question. And fifth question is, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square over 4 plus y square over 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these two questions are there. And there is no subjective question. Then comes to two more questions in MCQ. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle. Area.
Lying in the first quadrant. Yes, sir. The 12th question.
Yes. And then area of the region bounded by the curve y square equals to 4x and line y equals to 3.
Yes, sir.
Only these four questions are there in the exercise 8.1 and then miscellaneous exercise. There is no second exercise has been completely removed from the syllabus. Okay. So doing question number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square over 16 plus y square over 9 equals to 1. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, we will draw the graph of ellipse. See, in this particular chapter, you need to draw the graph. Draw the curve of the graph of the curve. That is important. If you do the things without drawing the graph, I think marks will be deducted.
Okay.
So this is the equation of ellipse. First, we will write this equation in standard form x square over 4 square plus y square over 3 square. Obviously, major axis is x-axis because 16 is greater than 9, 4 is greater than 3. So obviously, major axis is x-axis. This point will be 4, 0. and this point will be 0, 3 equals to 1. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the region bounded. That means we have to find the complete area, this part, this part, this part, and this part. So what we do, we just find the area of the first quadrant and then we multiply by 4. Why we are doing that? Because these figures are symmetric along x-axis and y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So if we have symmetric figure, then we just find the area of one part and then we multiply, we double, triple, or fourfold according as the requirement. Okay. So we shall just find the area of this region. Okay. From 0 to 4 in the first quadrant. And then we will multiply by 4. So how do we take? We take y dx. We take y dx. If we are taking limits on x-axis, then we have to take y dx as area. Okay. And limit from 0 to 4. Why 0 to 4? Because it is on x-axis. So from 0 origin to 4, this point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 times. So area of the region of required region. Okay.
Okay.
Area of the required region will be area of the bounded region equals to 4 times area of region from 0 to 4 y dx. Why y dx? Why not x dx?
Because I'm trying
See,
to find. Yes, sir.
let us take the whole concept of finding area through integral is like this. If we consider a very small strip, okay,
Okay.
this part is said to be, this is on x-axis, this part can be taken as dx, very small part, and the length of the rectangle is what? Y dx, y. So area of rectangle will be what? Y dx. And integration is just combining n number of, infinite number of, rectangles together to find the area of any type of curve. So that is the concept. So we take y dx. Now, if dx is there, that means it should be the function of x. So we shall derive the value of y in terms of x from the given equation 1. So we have, take this equation, this one. So we have y square over 9 equals to 1 minus x square over 16. Is it clear to you?
Oh yes, sir.
Equation one.
It is equal. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this can be written as 16 minus x square over 16. So this 9, if we multiply both sides by 9, then y square equals to 9 over 16 times 16 minus x square. Now you tell me whether you understood or not.
I understood, sir. But then, what will you do?
9 just multiplied both sides by 9.
Yes,
So
sir.
that this 9 will be cancelled out.
Yes, sir.
And here we have 9 over 16 times 16 minus x square.
Yeah.
And now y equals to square root of complete. Taking square root on both sides. So 9 over 16 and 16 minus x square. And further we can write this 9 over 16. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4, and under root we have 16 minus x square. Now you tell me whether you understood it.
Yes,
Root
sir.
9 over
You got
16.
9 outside.
Yes, yes. Root 9. Root 9 is 3. Root 16 is 4.
4. Yes, sir.
3 over 4 root 16 minus x square. Now, in place of y, we can put this value. So area will be 4 times 0 to 4, 3 over 4. It was 3 over 4, yes.
Yes,
3 over 4 square root of 16 minus x square dx. It should be noted that every time we will take y dx on for if we are taking limits on x-axis, but we have to replace y value in terms of x. Okay.
yes, sir.
So this 3 over 4 is constant and can be taken outside. So further we can write 4 into 3 over 4, 0 to 4 square root of 16 minus x square. This 4 will be cancelled out. 3 times 0 to 4 square root of 16 minus x square dx.
Yes, sir. This is a square minus x square, right?
Yes,
Under
this is
root.
of the form a square minus x square. So this 16 actually can be written as 4 square.
4 square. Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have 3 times x over 2 root over 16 minus x square plus a square over 2, that is 4 square over 2, that is 16 over 2 sine inverse x over a is 4, and limit is from 0 to 4. Limit is from 0 to 4. So this will be 3 times, and first you need to put this value, upper limit, right?
Yes, sir.
And minus lower limit. So we put x equals to 4, that becomes 4 over 2 root over 16 minus 4 square, that is 16, plus 8 sine inverse
4 by
4 over 4, okay,
Okay.
and minus 0 over 2 root over 16 minus 0 plus 8 sine inverse 0 over 4. See, this whole term will be 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because sine inverse 0 is 0 itself.
0.
And
Yes,
here we have 0 times root 16. So just we have to calculate this part. So this will be 3 times 2 into 0, 16
Yes,
minus
sir.
16. So just we have left over
8
this
sine
one,
inverse.
8 sine inverse 1. So 3 times 8 sine inverse 1 is what? Pi over 2. So answer will be 12 pi square units.
Okay.
Answer is 12 pi square units. Second question you will be doing yourself, because this question is of the same type that we have done.
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question we are going to do is question number 3. Only few questions are in this chapter, and again,
Yes,
5 marks minimum 5 marks question will be there from this chapter, and 5 marks is not less.
yes.
Every marks matters.
Yes, sir. So the question is find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x squared by 4 plus y squared by 9 equal to 1.
Area lying in the first quadrant. We are doing question number 3 now. Question number
Okay.
2 is of the same type. That should be done by you
Yes,
as
sir.
homework. Okay. Question number 3. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square equals to 4. X square plus y square equals to 4. X square plus y square equals to 4, and the lines x equals to 0 and x equals to 2. X equals to 0 and x equals to 2. So we have the equation of circle x square plus y square equals to 2 square. So obviously center is origin and radius is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first we shall draw a rough sketch of it. This will be 2 comma 0. Obviously this is 0 comma 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Now area lying in the first quadrant by the circle and the lines x equals to 0 and x equals to 2. X equals to 0 is what? The equation of
Origin.
y. Equation of y is always taken as x equals to 0. And
Okay.
x equals to 2 is what? This one. So basically you have to find this area. You have to find this area. Okay. So that will be taken as y dx. Okay. So we will find y equals to root over 4 minus x square. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Y equals to from here. Y equals to root over 4 minus x square. Y square equals to 4 minus x square. So y equals to root over 4 minus x square. Okay.
Yes.
And now we can find the area of the required region. Required region means first quadrant only.
Yep.
Will be y dx 0 to 2. So y is what? Root over 4 minus x square 0 to 2 dx. So this is root over 2 square minus x square 0 to 2 dx. This will be taking using this part Okay, using this part. So we have x by 2, x over 2, root over a square minus x square, that is 2 square minus x square, plus a square by 2, sine inverse x over 2, and limit from 0 to 2. First we put upper limit, that is 2. So 2 by 2 times 2 square minus 2 square. So that first term will become 0, plus this is 2 sine inverse 2 over 2. Okay. And minus, if we put 0, we will have all the values 0. If we put x equals to 0, then it becomes 0. If we put x equals to 0 over here, then sine inverse 0 is 0.
0.
So we have 2 sine inverse 1, which is 2 times sine inverse 1 is pi over 2. So answer will be pi square units. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it was MCQ based question. So answer is part A.
Okay.
Part A is the correct answer. So this exercise has been finished. The next question can be done by you because only 4 questions were there. Out of that, 2 already discussed.
Yes, sir.
Area of the region bounded by the curve y square equals to 4x and y equals to 3. However, I'll just make you understand how to do this question, but you need to do at home. Question number 4 is find the area, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equals to 4x. Yes. Y square equals to 4x. Y equals to 0.
3, sir. 3.
3. Y equals to 3. And the line y equals to 3. So I just draw the graph. Y square equals to 4x graph will be like this. And y equals to 3. Y equals to 3 will be a line. Y equals to 3 will be line like this. You need to find the point of intersection. We need to find the point of intersection. And here you have to take, because you have to find actually this area. Getting me?
Okay.
So you have to take x dy and 0 to 3.
3.
0 to 3. Okay. So this will be basically x is what? Y square over 4. X is from here x equals to y square over 4. So this will be y square over 4 dy 0 to 3. So 1 by 4 can be taken outside. Integral of y square is y cube over 3. So 3 cube over 3 minus 0 cube over 3. So this will be 1 over 4 times 9. So 9 by 4 square units will be the answer. So out of 4 questions, 3 of them had been done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 question remaining. But make sure you do all 4 questions, including examples.
Oh. All the examples, right, sir?
Yes, all examples, LPP, even I'm talking about LPP.
Yes,
I
sir.
have already written which questions have to be done.
Yes.
All examples and question from
Question
1
numbers.
to 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll be doing miscellaneous exercise.
Okay.
So do one thing.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving one question to, because miscellaneous exercise is what? It is revision exercise. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
So yes, you have done it correctly. Check your answer from backside,
Okay, sir.
whether you have got the correct answer or not.
So the last step is correct, right, sir? I just took value of 1/5 as 0.25.
Yes, yes, that's why I asked you. I think at last you have mistaken something. Let me check it once again. And the graph of y equals to x4 is a little bit different. It is more sharp, okay, towards y-axis, towards vertical axis.
Okay. It's correct, sir.
Your answer is correct. Yeah, you did it correctly. That's not a problem. Now, question number 2, sketch the graph of y equals to x plus 3, mod x plus 3.
Can you say that again, sir?
Just a minute. Let me copy the things. Sketch the graph of y equals to mod x plus 3. This is mod x plus 3. Okay.
Okay.
And evaluate integral from -6 to 0. X plus 3 dx. So first of all, we shall draw the graph of this modulus function or absolute value function.
Yes, sir.
The graph of absolute value function. This graph is, just a minute. The function y equals to x plus 3. Mod x plus 3 is defined like this. It is negative x plus 3 if x is less than -3. So how will you do that? If we have mod x plus 1, then it is defined at -1. Make the function in the modulus, make it 0, and whatever the value of x you get, the function is defined there only. Okay, for less than -3, it will be negative x plus 3, means negative x minus 3. And if x is greater than equal to negative 3, then it is positive, x plus 3.
Okay.
Okay. If you draw the graph will be like this. Just suppose this is negative 3, comma 0. So graph will be like this only. Graph will be like this only. And what is the graph of mod x? Do you know that? It will be like this at 0, 0. Because mod x is defined at 0.
0. Got it, sir.
So this will be the graph of mod x plus 3. Now you have to find the integral of given function. So integral of -6 to 0 mod x plus 3. So what we will do, we will split this limit into two parts, from -6 to -3 and -3 to 0. So first we will take -6 to -3. And we know that for less than negative 3, it is negative x plus 3. David,
Yes.
it is for x less than negative 3, this one.
Yes, sir.
For x less than negative 3, it is negative x plus
X plus
3.
3.
So this will be negative
Negative
x plus 3 over here.
Yes, sir.
Why we have taken negative x plus 3?
Because we're taking negative x in the
It is less than negative 3. Limit is from negative 6 to
limit.
negative 3.
Yes, sir.
So for less than negative 3, it is negative x plus 3. So we have taken this one.
Yep.
And then plus negative 3 to 0. And we know that for greater than negative 3,
Is x plus 3.
yeah, for greater than negative 3, we have this one,
Yes, sir.
x plus 3, this one. So here we will take x plus 3 because it is for greater than negative 3. This is lower limit, this is higher limit. So it is for greater than negative 3.
Hmm.
So this will be x plus 3 dx.
And then we have to integral both, sir.
Yes. Now you just need to integrate them. So we have negative x square over 2 plus 3x. Okay. Derivative of x is x square over 2, and integral of x is x square over 2, and integral of 3 dx is 3x. Integral of x is x square over 2.
Yes, sir.
And integral of 3 dx is what? 3x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And limit is from -6 to -3. Plus, again we have same thing, x square over 2 plus 3x. But this time limit is from -3 to 0. So we have minus, first we will put upper limit.
Then lower limit.
Yeah, negative 3 square over 2 plus 3 times negative 3. Okay.
Minus.
And minus 6 square over 2.
Minus 6.
And plus 3 times 6.
Sir,
We have
minus
taken
6,
into
right?
the bracket. Yes, we have taken into the bracket. If we open the bracket, that will be negative sign.
Okay.
Okay, here it is negative 6. Yes, yes. Yes, here it is negative 6. 3 times negative 6.
Yes.
Plus 0 over 2 plus 3 times 0. Okay.
Yep.
And minus 3
Whole
square
by
over
2
2.
plus 3
Okay.
2 minus.
And plus 3 times negative 3. So this is negative 9 over 2 minus 9 minus 6 square over 2 is what? 18, and minus plus
Plus
18 plus
0 minus
0, yes, minus 9
9
over
into
2 and minus plus 9. So we have negative, and here it is negative 9 over 2 plus 9 minus 9 over 2 is what? Again 9 over 2.
9 over 2.
So negative times negative, positive. Answer is 9 square, 9 units. This will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to sine x between x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi. So
Yes.
first we need to draw the graph of the curve sine x. This is 1, this is negative 1. The range of y equals to sine x is always between negative 1 to 1.
Okay.
So the curve goes like this. So 0 to 2 pi. This is 0 and pi. This is 2 pi. Zero, pi, 2 pi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So area of the required region, area that we need to find is this one and this one.
Yes, sir.
since these two areas are equal because they are symmetric to symmetric along x-axis. So what we will do, we will just find the area of the region from 0 to pi, and then we can make it double. Yes. Area of the shaded portion equals to from 0 to pi 2 times 0 to pi and sine x dx. 2 times integral of sine x. What is integral of sine x?
Cos x.
Minus
Minus
cos
cos x.
Yes. Minus cos x. And limit from 0 to pi. So 2 times minus cos pi minus cos 0. 2 times minus, take the negative sign outside, okay? Because the area is taken in, modulus. So let's take negative sign outside, and this is cos x 0 to pi. And this whole will be in modulus. So minus 2 and cos pi minus cos 0. This one. So minus 2 cos pi is what? Minus 1 and cos 0 is 1. So this becomes minus 2 times minus 2. That is 4 square units.
Okay, sir.
Cos pi is negative 1. The value of cos pi is negative 1. These are the small things that you must remember.
Yes, sir.
The value of sine, cosine, tangent. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, two questions are remaining. Both of these questions we will discuss.
Okay.
Then we will end today's session.
Got sir.
So you need to do your work. You need to do your part. I am doing my part. I have to make you understand, but you have to do your work. Because every new day there is new chapter. And we are almost discussing all the questions.
Yes, sir.
So curve is y equals to x cube, is it?
Y is equal to y square.
I think it's x cube.
Moment, sir.
Isn't it?
Just searching for the question.
It is y equals to x cube. X axis and ordinates x equals to negative 2, x equals to 1. Area bounded by the curve y equals to x cube. First of all, we need to
MCQ
draw the
question, right,
graph.
sir?
Yes, David?
This is MCQ question, sir. In the miscellaneous.
Just a minute. I'll send you the new big book PDF.
Okay, sir. That'll be better.
Time. Just sending you the new book PDF. Because at this moment when exam is just 1 month ahead, you need to focus on the syllabus only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm just sending you.
Thank you.
I have sent you the chapter 8 application of integral PDF. You can see the question from here itself.
Got it, sir.
So question number 4 we are discussing. Have you got the PDF?
I have got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got the question.
Y equals to x cube is the curve. First of all, we will draw a rough sketch of the graph. The graph of x cube goes like this, very sharp and very sharp downward as well.
Okay.
In case you do not remember the graph, what will you do? In case you do not remember the graph, then in rough work, you will take lots of points, x0, y0. If you take x equals to 1, what will be the value of y?
Will be 3. No, 1 only, sir.
1. If you take x equals to 2,
8.
x equals to 3, 27. X equals to 4, 64. Very sharp moving towards y-axis. And
Okay.
similarly, if you take negative 1, then negative 1, negative 2, negative 8, negative 3, negative 27. So you will see that it is moving very fast in upward direction.
Yes, sir.
And the inclination is very sharp, upward as well as downward. However, these are the basic graphs that you have already studied in class 11. You must remember this. But in case you forget and you are not sure that you are making the correct graph, you can verify like this. So how will you verify? So first of all, you will take n number of points. When you have to draw a curve, you have to take as many as points you can take. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because you have to understand the nature of the graph. You do not need to connect the points only. So 0, 0 will be like this only. 1, 1 will be 1, this point. 2, 8, 2, 8 is somewhere here itself.
Yes, sir.
3, 27 here. So going very sharp.
Yes, sir.
Again, minus 1, minus 1. So this is minus 1. And minus 2, minus 8. This is very sharp. Minus 2, minus 8 is over here. So it is going like this, very sharp.
Got it, sir.
And on the basis of the nature of the graph, understanding the nature of the graph, you can draw it. So that's not a big deal. In case if you do not remember the graph, you can do this. But yes, obviously, since you do not remember certain things, you have to give more time.
Yes.
And you can feel the shortage of time as well. So you can leave more questions.
Yes, sir.
So that should be taken care of.
Understood.
So I have just given an idea that if you do not remember in any case, still you can draw the graph.
Got it, sir.
X equals to -2, here it is -2, and x equals to 1, this is 1. So you have to basically find the area of this region. You have to find the area of this region. So how will you do that?
That is find separately, right, sir?
Yes, we have to find separately. So first we will take -2 to 0 y dx, because we are taking limits on x-axis.
X-axis.
Yes. And plus 0 to 1 y1 y2 dx. So this is -2 to 0, and y is what? X cube dx plus 0 to 1 x cube dx. So this will be x4 over 4, limit from -2 to 0 plus x4 over 4, and this time limit is from 0 to 1. So if you put x equals to 0, it is 0. -2 to the power 4 over 4. But you always keep in mind that the area is always the positive value. So
Yes.
in case
Yes,
you
sir.
get negative value, then you have to make it positive.
Positive.
Yes. Plus 1 over 4. And you will see the difference. In case you forget this, then you will get wrong answer. And that
Okay.
is also in the choice. You will see that. I'll make you understand. So
Got
this
it.
is minus 16 over 4. 16 over 4 is 4
3.
plus 1 over 4. If you do not remember to put modulus, then what will happen? It is -15 over 4, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But that is
Then
not the answer. That
no,
is
I can't.
incorrect. Yeah,
Yes.
that is incorrect. -15 over 4 is, and 15 over 4 is also the part of answer. It is given in the choice, if you see that.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
In,
sir. It's given.
in B part, -15 over 4. In C part, it is 15 over 4.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
But answer is 17 over 4.
Huh. Oh.
D part. Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to take care of that. This is -4 modulus of -4 plus 1 over 4. So 4 plus 1 over 4, that is 17 over 4 square units. You will check, if you check your answer, you will find that D part is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last question we are doing, question 5. The area bounded by the curve y equals to x times mod x. Okay, in the last class we did LPP.
Yes,
So
sir.
we just did one exercise. Actually, why we did just one exercise? Because that is only in your syllabus. Getting me? If you
Yes, I got
require
it.
the PDF of that, means LPP, I can send you the PDF of that.
Oh, yes, sir. Please, if you can.
Yes. Only first exercise is in your syllabus now.
Okay.
That's why we completed there only.
Got it, sir.
The area bounded by the curve y equals to. Okay, let me.
X mod X.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
The area bounded by the curve y equals to x mod x, x-axis, and the ordinate x equals to -1 and x equals to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, when we have certain function in modulus, means if we have modulus function, then first we have to define them, right? So modulus x is defined like -x if x is
Less
less
than,
than 0 and positive x if
yes,
x
x is
is
greater than
greater
or
than
equal to
equal to
0.
0.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So again we have limits from what? -1 to 1. So if we take x less than 0, for x less than 0, we have y equals to -x square. And for x greater than equal to 0, x greater than equal to 0, y equals to positive x square.
Yes, sir.
So we have y equals to x square if we take x positive. And if we take 0 to infinity, it is going like this. And if we take negative, x equals to negative. So negative will be like this, negative x square, like x cube. But this is not the graph of x cube. This is y equals to x square, and this is y equals to -x square, this side. If you take x equals to -1, then it is -1. If you take x equals to -2, then it is -4. If you take x equals to -3, then it is -9. Why -9? Because negative times -3 square. -3 square is +9.
Yes,
But
sir.
before
Yes,
that, we have negative sign.
yes.
So this will be the graph. Even if we do not understand the graph properly, still you can solve this question.
Okay.
But x equals to -1 and x equals to 1. So we have to find the graph of this part. So
This one we just need to do one because they both should be same, right, sir?
speak a little bit loudly. I didn't get it.
This time we only need to find the area of 1 and multiply by 2 because they both are the same, right, sir? Like,
Yes, symmetrical. They are symmetrical. We
they're
can
symmetrical.
find the area of one part only.
Yes, sir.
Positive side. That's why I told you, even if we do not do all these things, if you take only positive part from 0 to 1 and you make it double, still you will get the answer.
Answer. Yes, sir. Got it.
So 0 to 1 y dx equals to 0 to 1 x square dx. So that becomes x square, x cube over 3, x cube over 3, and from 0 to 1. So this will be 1 over 3 square units. Now area will be 2 times this.
So 3 into 1 by, no,
So
3
2
into,
over 3 square units.
yes, sir.
So we completed this chapter again. So 2 chapters, 2 days completed. You need to do, I hope you will be able to do examples yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anything that you would like to ask?
Uh, if I have doubts, I can ask you tomorrow, right, sir, on these questions.
Yes, for that
Mm.
you have to do your work.
Yes, sir, I will be.
So we will wind up today's session here
Yeah.
itself. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So do your work and whatever. Let me download the PDF for you.
Oh, yes. Thanks.
Just I'll just be sending you the PDF. Okay.
Yes.
Don't worry. And please do the work at home, because if you do not do work, then we will be doing different topic next uh, next day.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
because
sir.
we have already completed this chapter as well,
I got it, sir.
and almost all questions we have discussed.
Yes.
Almost all questions. Only I think one question was remaining. That was of the same type, ellipse.
Yes, sir. The same type as
Otherwise, yeah, one or two questions. So you need to do examples, and these are all questions once again.
yes. Got it, sir. I will do it.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Thank you very much.